What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Milady fam. I am back with another video for you guys. Milady meme coin holders, something's happening. I guess my thesis stands. Something is happening with the Milady meme coin chart, and it's a good thing, right? We gotta be happy for positive price action, man. Milady made that 10-20% move up. It retraced a bit, and it's coiling back up to move up even higher, man. Man, it's so crazy. It's so crazy how this space works. Sometimes you just have to make a punt at a project. A punt meaning like just toss a little play money at the project and just forget about it, man, because you just never know. Anytime you're looking into new altcoins or different projects, always use fresh fiat, in my opinion. Like, if you have a portfolio that is diversified into 3, 4, 5 good altcoins, and you want to buy another project to add to your portfolio, use fresh money. Don't take from your previous holdings to do so, because that will probably bite you in the butt, right? Because that happened to me in the past already with certain projects where if I just held, I would have made some crazy gains multiple times, like over and over. And you miss these opportunities because you're trying to chase the next wave, the next thing, where you should instead just hold whatever project it is, and then once you have a bag you're cool with, you're like, okay, I got $200 there, $100 there, $500 there, $1,000 there. Now I'm gonna take some funds for this next project that may look interesting. I think that's the best way to do it, right? Because we're seeing that with ladies. A lot of people probably already sold out, and right now, not for some reason, right now it's looking kind of bullish, man. And going into the next bull cycle, I think this trend continues, guys, because you just never know. That's why I say all the time, you just never know. Because before, let's take a look at the ladies price action right now. Ladies was sitting at 7 days ago, my apologies, 7 days ago, sitting at like a $17 million market cap, and now it's starting to move back up again to $21 million in market cap, man. Just like that. Bitcoin isn't really doing much right now, so it's not even Bitcoin. I guess, like I said, it's just probably people that are buying it on different exchanges, and they're like, man, let me add this to my just get a bit of exposure to add to my portfolio with this meme coin, man, because you just never know what happens with meme coins, man. Crypto runner lady 2024 bull run deleting 4 zeros. Crypto runner, I'm bullish on ladies. Ivan, I'm bullish on ladies. Crypto renegade, don't let these clowns fudge you out of your bag. They probably bought high, sold low, and got wrecked. She'll kill 3 zeros in the bull cycle. It's the only meme coin catered to females in the entire sector. Only a few months old and hasn't experienced the bull market. Hold strong. Honestly, great point. The majority of projects that are gonna perform the best are the projects that have great price discovery and have never seen a bull run. Projects that have already seen bull runs, a lot of people have agreed that they won't see as much positive price action as they did in the previous cycles, guys, because there's a ton of people in the project that are underwater, right? So as soon as there's moves to the upside, boom, they start dumping their bags, they start selling instantly, right? Compared to a new project where it's not many people that are underwater in the project, and getting to new all-time highs, especially in a bull cycle, will be a lot easier to do so, right? Ladies, gorgeous. AIG, I'm bullish on ladies. Come Milady, be my butterfly sugar. Crypto FOMO is about to kick in. Joe Crypto, LMAO, LFG, let's go. Wings like eagles, let's break 4-0. And it's the thing, right? The community of ladies is super bullish. Like, there's people here that are invested and willing to spread the message of this project, which is great. Big stacks, just look at the 1-year chart. Bull run is going to moon, we're bullish. Then I'm bullish on ladies. Phoenix, ladies, let's go ladies. The 7-day looking pretty nice, man. Look at this move up, man. 7-day looking pretty nice. Volume coming in from KuCoin. Not much on Uniswap, right? 61K on Uniswap, but Gate.io, $472,000 in volume. Bybit, 56K. Huobi, 46,000. BitGet, 408,000. Crypto.com, 147,000. My apologies. L-Bank, 326,000. Mexi, 163,000. altcoin, 518,000. BingX, 95,000. Bitmart, 266K. TrueBit, 239K. Just a bunch of volume coming in, man. $20.8 million in market cap, $3.1 million in 24-hour trade volume. Again, this is nice volume for ladies. And we're seeing some positive price action here. We're gonna see if it continues, but like I said, going into the bull cycle, man, it may shock a lot of people. It really may shock a lot of people. With the charm of a queen, ladies graces the world of meme coin investments with its regal presence. GM, pack your digital bags and set off on an epic journey with ladies. Together we'll explore the uncharted territories of the crypto greatness. Ladies is your meme coin and drive in cinema, showcasing blockbuster gains and epic horror stories under the crypto stars. And again, guys, my thesis still stands. I'm thinking going into the bull cycle, man, this is one of the few meme coins that's listed on a top US regulated exchange, which is crypto.com. And for example, I do live streams, right? And we had a few people in the live stream that are brand new to crypto. They don't know about setting up VPNs, etc. You know, they don't know about setting up VPNs to get access to a lot of these like tier 2, tier 3 exchanges, right? Because a lot of these exchanges don't give you access as a US citizen, US user, right? So a lot of people, let's be honest, in my opinion, are lazy. They like things to be easy and convenient. They want to get things instantly. They want instant gratification. That's how majority of people are, right? So majority of them won't be buying ladies on these exchanges, right? And majority of them won't be buying crypto in general on any of these exchanges. They won't try to push themselves to learn something new and try to like set up VPNs, etc. to try and buy on like Mexi or CoinX, etc. right? Instead, they're just gonna take the simplest way, the most convenient way, and then just buy from like crypto.com. Not even KuCoin. I don't think KuCoin gives access to US users anymore. So guess what'll happen now? They'll just give access. They'll just be using exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, crypto.com. And when there's a ton of new retail into the space, when there's peak FOMO, everything is going parabolic, everything is going like to the moon, right? And everybody hears stories about this person becoming a millionaire, that person getting rich. A lot of people are just gonna sign up to these tier 1 exchanges like a crypto.com. A lot of the US users, we already know the US market is the reason for a lot of the crazy price action we got in the last bull cycle, right? It was a majority of US buyers, right? So we're probably gonna see the same thing again here, right? And ladies is one of the only fresh meme, I think, that's listed on crypto.com. I think so. It's the only fresh meme. I don't know if there's any other fresh memes that have been listed, and if so, if it's one of the few fresh ones that came out in this cycle, right? Just at the start of the bull market, right? It's one of the few ones that's listed there on at the start of the bull market. So when new retail comes to the space, and you know, the previous meme coins that already saw a bull run aren't going as parabolic, because you know there's gonna be people that are underwater selling their bags as soon as there's a move up. It's not gonna be the same case here with ladies. So guess what? Everybody's gonna FOMO in. That's my thesis. That's what I think is gonna happen. Everybody, US buyers are just gonna FOMO in from crypto.com, thinking like they could buy like $10 a ladies and become a millionaire, right? $10 is how much? Like 3.5 million, 350 million coins, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 350 million coins. They're gonna think, oh, if I buy $10 of this, I could be a millionaire, right? That's what they'll be thinking, similar to what happened in the previous cycle, because the new retail that gets into the space, I don't think it's gonna be the ones that got wrecked in the last cycle. It's gonna be fresh new money, like people that have never touched a crypto, never bought any crypto at all, never ever went into crypto at all, right? That's who I think is gonna come into the space next, right? And you know, that's when you're gonna see the huge runs on some of these meme coins that are on tier ones, right? That's never seen a bull market, right? Ladies is one of those projects, guys. That's where my mindset is at with it. So again, like I said, a little bit of exposure here, nothing too crazy. Could lead to some nice returns in the future going into the bull cycle. If you got your 3 to 5 altcoins you're bullish on, you got those back secured, make sure you focus on those first. And then, you know, the ladies project could just be like a fun play, right? It's just a fun little place to toss a little extra money that you have on the side for the potential bull run that is incoming, man. It's, again, like for example, I think Pepe is going to be a huge performer, right? And with Pepe going absolutely ballistic, other meme coins are going to follow with Pepe, right? Again, Pepe will more than likely outperform, you know, Shiba and Doge. Even though Shiba is bullish, Doge is bullish, Pepe is more than likely going to outperform because it's never seen a bull run, right? Same thing here with ladies. And, you know, we saw that huge explosion in Pepe, and all the other meme coins followed. Ladies was one of them. Guess what's gonna happen when Pepe starts to explode again, and then it's meme coin season. Everybody buying meme coins. There's a ton of TikToks. There's there's videos here, TV shows covering Pepe and all the other meme coins. Similar to what happened in Shiba, man. In Shiba started to go parabolic, and then Kishu, Feg, Akita, Hoj, Dogecoin, Mars, right? Elon, for example, on crypto.com as well. But it's already saw a bull market, right? So I don't think the pumps there are going to be as parabolic as, for example, ladies will, right? And, you know, don't think Pepe is going to just be the only meme that does crazy numbers. It's going to be other memes as well, right? And ladies has an edge, in my opinion, because of the crypto.com listing, right? Because it's on crypto.com, a lot of other memes won't have that listing. I'm telling you guys, like, there's a group of, just like how there's people that are specifically on-chain ETH guys that probably bought ladies pretty early because they're the on-chain ETH guys that just focus on buying stuff on ETH and that's it, nowhere else. There's people similar to that with crypto.com. They just buy crypto.com related stuff, right? Crypto.com related cryptos, right? Crow, other projects in the ecosystem. Just any project that's listed on crypto.com, those are the ones that they buy, and that's it, right? They don't go anywhere else to buy stuff, right? Because, you know, they don't try to go into like DeFi, setting up MetaMask, Trust Wallet, none of that stuff, right? And like I said, when there's a huge new influx of people into the space, in my opinion, right, there's a huge new wave of fresh money, huge new retail flowing into the space. Once again, a lot of people from the US signing up to crypto.com to buy some crypto. How do I buy crypto? Your grandma, your grandpa, the older folks. How do I buy crypto? How do I buy this? Right? Oh yeah, I like crypto.com. It's super easy. Everything else is too complicated. What is a smart contract? How, you know, why are dresses so long with 0x? Why is it so much numbers and letters? Right? I'm just putting my head into my mind into, like, you know, the thought pattern of somebody new to crypto, right? Because I was pretty much the same way. I had trouble setting up Uniswap, PancakeSwap, for example, when I first got into the space, right? So it's gonna be the same way. People are just gonna go with convenience. They're gonna take the easy way and then be like, okay, well, crypto.com, all I gotta do is sign up and KYC and then I could buy. And that's the easiest way, right? So a lot of projects on crypto.com will go parabolic, in my opinion. And because ladies, again, is a meme coin, which retail investors love because they, you know, the thought process is $100 to $1 million in meme coins, right? I think ladies will have a parabolic move in the bull run, man. So we'll see. I could be wrong. Obviously, this is why I say never invest more than you're willing to lose. Don't invest don't invest no crazy amounts into the project, man. Just take a, you know, little extra change. Just buy it, leave it there, forget about it. See what happens come 2024, 2025. But yeah, if you hold, ladies, let me get your thoughts down below. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about ladies and myself be in the description. First link to my channel memberships, guys. Become a channel member, sitting at 11 channel members now. Let's get to 100 channel members. Thank y'all so much, and I'll catch you in the next video.